All right. Hello. Happy Wednesday. It's Dr. Greg McLeod, Lead Trade University. Welcome to Pip and Run Scalping, live from Las Vegas, Nevada. And we're going to tackle the $6.1 trillion a day Forex market, trading the Asia session using my proprietary trading approach. So good for you to be with me. And so we're going to get to the markets. And so I've been doing this for 30 years. I was one of the uh, I was the currency broker and currency strategist for one of the world's largest Forex broker dealers in the world. I perfected the Pip and Run Forex scalping system. And again, a 30-year trading veteran. And I've traded everything from stocks, bonds, crypto, Forex, options, you name it, I've traded it. And one of the foremost authorities of short-term day trading called scalping. And my goal and my mission in life is to help traders, middle-aged men who've been trading for a while, who don't have a retirement or have very little toward retirement, scale up and compound, use the power of scalping to compound their accounts fast so they can retire in luxury and comfort using just a Wi-Fi connection and a mobile device. So if that's you, then this is the program just for you. And so welcome to our show. Before we get started, I always go before the Lord. I developed my system through the Bible using the inspiration of the Holy Spirit to develop my Pip and Run system using the parable of the talents. And if you're familiar with the parable of the talents, Matthew 25 and 11, where, three men are given money and they trade it, and one makes 5 talents, the other makes two more talents. It's 100% return on investment. One decided to bury his business in the bank. And so the word trade is in the Bible. So I looked up trading in 1993. There wasn't a lot of information on it. I went to the local library and began doing my research and came across Mark Douglas as my mentor. And so I've been the trading ever since, on fire for the Lord, on fire for these markets. So let's go before God. Heavenly Father, thank you, Father God, in the name of Jesus Christ, for the many people who are on this broadcast. Let there be blessing in their homes, in their hearts, in their health. Bless the people of Texas who are going through the floods and help them to recover the people who are lost. And thank you, Father God, for opening our eyes to the markets so we may find winning opportunities. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, let's do it. Okay, first thing I want to do is I'm going to go through my trading checklist on a little pre-market workout so we can diagnose the market. The market is a living organism because it's composed of people, and people compose the market. And so we want to use one of my favorite tools I had developed called My Market Heat Map. My Market Heat Map is an arrangement of currency pairs and percentage change. Tells us what's popping, what's dropping, what's hopping, what's not in the market. And you can get access to it for free. Go to www.mymarketheatmap. I'm going to share my screen. And let me go ahead and share my screen right here, screen number 2. I'm also going to share some sound effects. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to do some trades, and we're going to get started. You go to My Market Heat Map right there. I'm also going to make sure our chat room is activated and see who's in our VIP room. Remember, if you're watching this on YouTube, you are watching a delayed feed, probably delayed about 3 to 5 minutes, which means that if you're trying to scalp with me, you're probably going to fall behind. But if you want to be in real-time VIP section, then you want to email me at greg@elitetradersu.com and join our VIP group. It's a monthly service. So if you want to find out more about that, just email me, greg@elitetradersu.com, to subscribe. Okay, let me go ahead and okay, and if you can see my screen, can you type the number 1 in the chat box? Let me know if you can see the screen and if you can hear my voice. Hopefully you can hear my voice. I'm going to double check, make sure my microphone is going. I got number 1 from Lisa. Missed you yesterday, honey. Glad you're online with us today, my VIP. Other VIP, I know that Rod, he is on vacation. He actually sent me his testimony video from his hotel. Anyway, let's get started with the markets. And let's go ahead and take a look and see. Oh, it's all gray, but Aussie dollar is in the top spot of 0.18%. There's supposed to be a surprise deal tariff announcement that President Trump is teasing us about. And usually when we get a positive trade deal, the dollar sells off, and Aussie, Kiwi, pound, and euro do much better. So we'll stay tuned for that. We don't know if it's going to be a overnight tweet or on Truth Social. Oh, Lisa says a Microsoft account has been hacked, so I can't access my new messages and Teams at the moment. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, Mike, I'm sorry, very sorry to hear that. I know I was having some difficulty logging in too, but I had to go. I had to use the I wound up using the web version to help me out. But I'm glad you're on the call. Yeah, awesome. All right. So we have dollar Swiss, dollar yen at the bottom spot. And let's see if there's any type of economic news. You also get free access to an economic calendar, but you have to probably refresh the screen to get access. Click show more, and then we can show more and see what's going on. Happy birthday to my dad. My dad turned 81 today. Happy birthday to you, Dad, if you're watching online, if you made it out to the internet. He's probably one of the few people who doesn't have a cell phone or the internet. So much better for him. He does, I guess the radiation hasn't affected his age because he still has black hair and he can walk and he's in full health, no medicines, no pharmaceuticals, and great health at 81 years old. Here we go. We have FOMC minutes we had today. That's why the market was kind of sluggish. FOMC minutes usually is the Fed usually reads out like why they kept interest rates unchanged and what their view of the economy is. Now, Jerome Powell is under fire. Possibly this will be his last year as Fed chair. Trump doesn't like him, and Trump's already named his successor already. And so let's see if the markets react to that. The stock market was up. Initial jobless claims was tomorrow. And so we have no really major news coming up. So we should be trading. If we don't have major news during Asia session, usually it means we're going to trade off of technicals. Let's go ahead and move along to, I always like check CNBC just to check the overnight market, right? Trump announces 50% tariff on Brazil, right? And so the futures, Dow futures are up, they're positive slightly. And then we have the pre-market, the overnight market, what happened last night or this afternoon here in the US. The Dow was up 0.5%, 217 points. The S&P 500, a new record high in the S&P 500 at the up 0.2%, 6,263.26. NASDAQ up almost a full percent, 20,611. Russell 2000 up 1% as well. And the VIX down, the fear index down at 15.94. And so that's a risk on market. And that's why Aussie is at the top of the heap there. Let's go ahead and actually, okay. Go back to my market heat map. Let's look at more. So Aussie's turning positive, turning green on us right now. I'm going to go to trading view, I'm going to trade off trading view. Launch super charts, and let's see if we can get down here to. Let's take a look at Aussie. Right now, I am, yeah. So here's Aussie, a daily chart, and we can see nice higher highs and higher lows. Now, we were using a special indicator the other day in mentorship, and actually I'm going to share that with you guys. VWAP. It's not like doo-wop, it's not like the 1950s, right? VWAP. We're using volume weighted average price. We're using that indicator, and we're using that maybe on a 15-minute chart. So that's the VWAP, right? And so we have, basically price trading within a range, and then we get the really nice breakout. We had a nice breakout the other day. And so we get these consolidations, low volume, and then we get these breakouts. So maybe that's the money train, the 8 o'clock money train that we're looking for. So we used that the other day. So Australian dollar, let's go to a split screen display, right? And let's go ahead and drop this down to our maybe 1 minute chart. Looks like we got looks like we got our break already. Trend line break, color change. We're about 4 bars late to that. But no, I I want to wait for a pullback. I'm just like, you're gonna play it safe, Greg. It's like, yeah, I want to see. We missed the move. The move is right here, 65.35. I mean, we're only a pip away, but I want to get on a pullback. I want to trade off of red. Red changing green is how we get involved in the market. And so this let me and we are let me check our people over on the on YouTube. Hey YouTube guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are enjoying the show. Remember, you are delayed, so if you want to join the look at that. When you're cautious, it starts to the Nasdaq that's starting to pull up, right? 36 by 37. Trying to restrain myself. I wanted to see a pullback. If that is the high, if that's the highest high, it could go higher. I could get another candle, but if that is just the high, then I would like to see a pullback. If I get a pullback somewhere in here, that looks making new highs, 30 by 37 is really surging, right? We are surging with big wicks, 36. Well, I guess we're gonna watch it. I guess we're gonna be disciplined today. But we did pick the right one, right? The heat map had it down, right? Aussie up 0.22. It broke the 0.20 range. Everything is below. If it's below 0.2, it's gray. If it's above 0.2, it's green. If it's below negative 0.21, it's red, right? But see, these are still in the range. This just broke out just now by 1%. So we want to maybe not bite on the first. We're not going to be the big mouth bass that gets that jumps on the first bait. But we're going to wait for wave B. There we go. Here we go. And then I'm going to move this. The Fibonacci should be up to the top. That's the established high. That's the established low. We have 2 points. Fibonacci's scalping here. We have our established low. Our established lows at the 0.6534. Our established high, 0.6537. And then our pullback. I mean, look, we went right to the 38. I'll move this out of the way. Got indecision candle, red candle. Okay. Looking kind of tasty there. Again, our hearts and prayers go out to the people of the Texas Hill Country. Little areas south of it's like southwest of Dallas or San Antonio, and they had that really horrible flood there, where the children that were swept away in the flood, and so my hearts go out to the people of Texas, people who I strongly identify from, living part of my life in Texas, raising my kids in Texas. Wonderful people. Okay, we got pullbacks, 50% pullback. Man, we didn't get much red. I mean, it's really a eager beaver. I'd like to see a 1 minute chart. That's why 15-second chart. Oh, there we go. Green, red, back to green. Oh, A, B, C. Okay, that's fine. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 later. Let's see if we can head this off at the pass. Right? You ever see like when the burglars, or in the action movies, when I saw Ballerina, and the guys are trying to escape in the Range Rover at the end. I'm not gonna give it away, but she cuts across, jumps across some houses and slides through some stuff, and she cuts them off, right? So this thing is running, so we want to cut it off at the pass before it gets away. So we cut it off. Yeah, Ballerina, she was tough. They killed her daddy, and she goes, I'm coming after you. Okay, this 618. Looking there. Looking. So if we jumped on that late, well, see, look, we got this pullback, right? So we're just gonna 65.35 with the 618. See if there's any magic that's going to happen at the gold line, at the golden mean. 61.8% is a Fibonacci ratio that's oftenly watched by traders. A lot of times computers will place their buy signals or buy orders right at that line. And you can see a small green candle starting to develop. I have my finger on the button to get long. If I get a closed candle outside that line, boom, that's it. Did I call it? Did I call it, guys, or what? Right? Been doing this for 30 years. They do the same thing over and over again. At the 618, turn around, break, bounce. Oh, where's our settings? Show my executions. Wait, look, we got right in it to win it. Those. But the spread, we got some spread to deal with. Okay. Now I'm going to use the higher time frame to set a price target, right? And I think we can get back up to here. I think we could. We got this pullback, flat, correction, backward 7, right? Return to the old high. And that'd be like $19,820, I wouldn't kick that out of bed for eating crackers. That's if this 618 low holds. We're inside this VWAP, this variable. Uh-oh.
Bye.
Now, if you're looking at your trading platform and you're looking at the 1-minute chart, you're probably not seeing a lot of activity, right? You're probably going, what's going on? I see the wick moving up and down, but that doesn't mean, you don't really see anything. Well, we're inside the 1-minute candle, guys. Remember, 15 seconds, there's 4 15-second candles in a minute candle. So I got in before you would ever see the movement. So just think, by going to a lower time frame chart, you're actually beating out the crowd, because Wall Street warns them that, well, short-term day trading is highly risky and the moves are very volatile and blah, 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 right? It's like, the thing is that the big Wall Street guys don't want you on their time frames messing around, shaving money off of where they're getting in and out, right? Let's see, we got another pullback right there. Our Tom DeMark trend lines. You gotta go, who's Tom DeMark? Some old guy, some smart old white guy. He created these trend lines that go across the tops of candles to show supply and demand. And when you have more demand greater than supply, the line is broken, right? If this is supply and the rising line is demand. When you break, so when there's a supply demand imbalance, you have an uptrend. You're at the very beginning of the uptrend. Now, I know some snotty old 27-year-old might not know this because I was probably trading when they were in diapers. And this technique was probably in that book that was out when he was in diapers too. And we got some vertical movement here though. Our speed lines. So let's get back to our speed lines. If you watched yesterday's show, we talked about speed lines and how they get broken. And then, and I showed you an automatic way to do a Fibonacci fans. So here's our Fibonacci right there. And we come back. This is our original trend line where we got long, happens to be the 618, happens to be in relation to this low. And now we're back at the line again, busting through it like, yeah, correct. It doesn't mean anything, right? We busted through that trend line. That was kind of ugly. Okay, well, we're reaching all the way back down to the low. Okay. The other way we can do this is, okay, we got this fib. But you have bearish and bullish fibs working together. Remove that. Remove that. Okay, I'm going to take bearish fibs. Okay, we can take them the other way. Right, and see, and there's the 100% expansion right there, 65.35, 1.27 expansion. It's a little bit lower than our low. And we're all in this, we're all within this VWAP. So we have failure. We didn't quite get to the old highs, which we were, at least it would come back. It just turned down, and we've been seeing a lot of that lately, where we have, in fact, look at the larger time frame. Look at the 30. Big move up, and then a drop, and then a failed. I mean, this took lots and lots and lots of time for this to even move back up. I believe that, just from a fundamentals, economic kind of thing with the Trump tariffs, that if he does announce a big trade deal tomorrow, Aussie would go up substantially. That's not, not much comfort when you're a short-term day trader or a scalper and you're looking for a fast move. Like, I want to be out of this move within 10 minutes, So, I mean, we've got some type of demand zone there. You always want to check for holidays too, to make sure it's not some type of Asian holiday. We could explain. So we can do that in my market heat map. We can log in to get more access to the features. The free features on the outside, you get access to the economic calendar and the major currency pair heat map, which is a very, very powerful combination to get for free. But if you want to have some of the other tools like charts, quotes, economic calendar, the Forex TV, financial news stream, market hours, technical screener, national holidays calendar, which I want to check, right? I can check that. So full suite of tools. It's like a Swiss Army knife. In mentorship, you get 12 months of that. And it's picnic day in Australia. Oh, that's August 4th. And then other than my dad's birthday, and Jesse Waters' birthday, Canada, Nunavut Day on the 9th. And then that's it. Oh. It could be just summer too, the summer holidays. So no holidays. Let's take. We also can check Forex liquidity, check the liquidity of the market, and sometimes if there's not a lot of liquidity, oh, we have good liquidity. Look at that. Look at those bars. Liquidity in wet though. I mean, yeah, that's. I've never seen bars that large during Asia. All right, let's get back to it. Right? Okay. Well, we're turning at the. I'll minimize our long-term chart here. Then our short-term chart. And there we go.
Bye.
Trend line break, color change. But oh, it's stalled out. And these guys are like taking fractions of a penny and getting out. And the spread's about a pip. What's going on? Let's try lower time frame. Let's go down to the 5-second chart. Recycle that trend line here. Supply and demand. We have a little more supply. Demand picks up. We should break that line and shoot up. 5-second chart. Ooh. Pretty slow. How about 1-second chart? Ooh, nothing going on. And I don't think they'll maybe like 100 ticks. No, I have to upgrade. I'm already at premium. Oof. Anything else moving? That's chat. Euro Swiss. Oh, this just moved. Look, breakout. Dun, 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 dun. She was getting jealous because I was looking somewhere else. You know, that's how these charts are. What does she have that I don't have? Volatility. She's got volatility. Dun, 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 dun. Volatility. Not personality, but she has volatility. Sounds like my ex. She's highly volatile, volatility. Drama queen. All right, let's try this again. So we were here, and we went up, and we went down, and we went up, and we're still negative because of the spread. Greg, you got in here, and I got filled there because this is the bid versus the ask price, right? Well, that one didn't get us too far. And that one didn't get us far. Oh, okay. Okay, another one. Let's try it. One candle break. The thing about all these are Fibonacci, they're little Fibonacci ratios. 1, 2, but 127, 1.618, right? And then this one's gonna be a little Fibonacci too. Depending on where it stops, right? What's the low? If that's the low, then maybe on this run we get to the 100% expansion. No, this is we got to pull it back down to that low, right? And there you go. Which is going down. And I actually changed the trend lines like that. Go try to hug as many corners as possible. So the angle changed. You didn't see the angle. Sometimes it'll say you can use trend angle right there. Use that trend angle. You get this long wick, this pop, and then this drops ABC, pop, ABC, pop, right? If you just don't get a secondary pop, but you get a pop, you don't get the other one. You don't get you don't get any follow through is what I'm trying to say. Again, just look at the price action. We just move sideways. I'm gonna look at Euro Swiss. The moment I do, watch. When we go to Euro Swiss, ah, that's not doing anything either. Nada. Euro cat. Oh, this looks kind of nice. Higher time frame chart. They're not connected. Okay, this should be EUR CAD. Oof, that was, that was like a trap. The higher time frame looks like a trap. Because we're just stuck in a range. We're at the top of the range. Oh, I might sell this. Because they got a pop, no follow through. Looks negative. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna do the opposite of what I would normally do, right? Okay. I'm in the money, right? Oh, it has a wide spread. 49, it has a 2 pip spread. Well, it's not a terrible spread. Okay, broke trend line. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. Wait, well, it just changed green, so I'm sorry, I'm yarning at. I've been on Slack. This is I got back from Texas. It's been like I'll get another time zone. Well, I trade like midnight and then wake up at like noon. Like what a slack. I think we're at the top of this range. So that every time we get to the top, it drops. And we're above the average volume is here. And we're way up here. Okay. Okay, well, once I cover the spread, this should be okay. But let's go back to Forex majors, pick up the Aussie. And yeah, trend line break. Okay, okay. It's gonna play with us for a while. Oh, that's not pretty. Let's take a look at the US dollar index. The DXY. Wow. Really let's see if we are. Oh, let's connect the symbols. Okay, I mean, look, aren't we getting paid? Really? We broke the trend line. I'm short. We're below the entry line, and I'm down $204. Okay, we're gonna try to figure that one out. This is a different. I don't usually trade EuroCAD. I can see why. I think I had this problem last time. That took a long time for me to. I mean, I had to be way down here to even see a profit. Now it's going up a little bit. Aussie dollar. Okay. This is Aussie. One, two, three, four, five. 5 waves decline, but it's 5 waves corrective, which is weird because the 3, 4, 5, not really. Yeah. Wave 3 is never the shortest. Wave 4 does not go into wave 1. So it meets all the criteria. Five waves. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So then we're going to have alteration, ABC, A, B, C. A or 1, B or 2, C. You can take a Fibonacci expansion on that, on the A and the B. 618 is right here. 100% expansion is 6536. So let's see if it launches up to one of those lines in the next couple of minutes. Meanwhile, my eyes are just watering. Let's go. Let's go. Do something. It's Wednesday. Yep, there you go. C, A, B, C later. The 618 is right here. And the 100% expansion is at 6536. So you can forecast these really small areas. A, B, so our C is expanding. Well, I mean that's the C, right? That's the top of C, right? So it comes after C. One down. Ugh. Hate when I'm right. It goes against my position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go 3, 4, 5. We can double bottom, right? So it should drop, right? if you had tighter spreads, you could make money on this. But because the spread is so wide, I mean, it's 2 pips, but these are fractions of a pip we're moving. We're moving like 65, 35, 9 to 65, 39, 7, right? It's actually like that. Or maybe, or maybe we get two rows of ABC. ABC, 1, 2. 2 can't go higher than C. We see like a red candle next. Or a small green candle. Ooh, wait a minute. New high or same high? Red candle. Do you see? There you go. Double top red candle, right? Oh, that's the top of your 2. And your 3 should be pretty big drop. But this is real time, guys. This is not recording, right? I mean, if you're watching it later, it's gonna be recording, but right now it's live. Choose maybe hammering out a complex 2. I mean, I hope I'm wrong. I want this thing to break up north to the upside, but the count showing me it's going to go down, right? Look, there's a big candle, there's our 3, right? Little late. The 2 is complex, but it's the same high. And our 3, right? There's our 3. We 4 up. Ooh, 4 up with the red candle, right? And then we're at big drop. I thought we get yeah, the way this looks, you think this is a recording and I'm going over it, but it's actually live, which is pretty wild. Well, oh, there we go. Wrong way. Is it gonna go right to my what? Is it gonna go down right down to my 5? I'm gonna go buy a lottery ticket if it does, right? You can't forecast price. Yeah, you can. Okay, that's 5, and we should get 3 waves, three waves higher. And if we do, then don't try this at home, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, Too many requests. Order rejected. Orders rejected. Okay. All I need is to get back to the old high. We're gonna break even on this. Might broke the system though. There we go.
Bye bye bye!
Oh, do I have anybody? Oh, participant. I got you. Are you? You guys are in. Okay. Okay. I thought you guys were waiting in the. I thought you guys were waiting in the waiting room. Oh, come on. Nah, come on. You gotta really. Let's go. Break that high. A or one, B or two, C or three later should take me back here. 65.36. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on. Ooh, Brazil will respond to Trump's 50% tariff with reciprocity. That's not going to be good. They just announced that just now on the news feed. Brazil will respond to Trump's 50% tariff with reciprocity, says De Silva. Okay. Ooh. What if they announce that while I'm in a trade, you know? There we go. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Give me a big one. Big one. Big one. Monkey. Big one. Pay me. Oh, no. At the line? That is so not fair. Oh, rejection. No. Go. Go. Take it. Get paid. Okay. Oof. We got in, we got out, we saw, we conquered. All right, all right, all right. Where's my trying to get into my viewer channel. I'm not seeing my join conversation. I can't. Okay. I know. Top fans. Oh, you're top. No, okay. I know what that means. Okay. Go into your channel. Okay. Go to your live. And I see 6 people watching. Could be my dad. Hello. Oh man, I got out of that. Ooh, look at that. A, B, C. A or one, B or two. Do we see a C or three later? Wow. Just got out of that one. DCA, dollar cost averaging. Wait, if this is ABC, so where's this? A or one, B or two, C or three, or one, two on the wick. I don't know what this is. Okay, well, this could be C. What's going on with the dollar index? Let's go DXY. Man, wow, dollar index is going. This is selling off. So why is Aussie getting weaker with dollar selling off? That means euro's going nuts. Euro going higher. Oh yeah, euros going nuts. 30 minutes up. Oh, here we go. Oh, I don't like this though. It's that thing, that pop up, pull back, up, move, and it's like, no, what's going on here? Like it failed to make a new high. Okay, we've got something else out there. We got some Euro CAD out there. See how that, I don't know how that, lost track of that. Oof. Euro CAD. Oh, we were shorting it. And that, oh, our take profit didn't get hit. Ah, we're loser on this one. Close it on that. Oh, oof. Did make it to the old high, maybe, maybe. Yeah, I should have a stop on that. The stop should have been right there at the 160.59. We got short, dropped a little bit, but we weren't watching it, and then it shot up. Okay. I'm gonna put a stop on this though. I'm gonna right where we were, right? That's a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Go back to Aussie. A or one, B or two. I don't know. Short 65.35. Stop loss 65. Ooh, 38. 3 pips. I think the spread was going to widen out and stop me out. I need to go higher. I need, and then let's see. We get the old low. Okay. Small time frames, you just can't have it. You know, it looks like you put a stop there, but the spread widens out and then you get nailed. Oh, okay. ABC. Is this wave two? Nah, no ABC. Just not getting a smooth drop. You think you're gonna get a drop, you think you're gonna get another drop. You're not getting any lazy river here. This is like the rapids. 65.36 by 36.9. And I think might be going the wrong way here, but let's see. If we close above 65.37, which will probably be 39 maybe, because it's a 2-pip spread, well then I'll bail on this. But I think this thing's gonna break the trend line and drop A, B, C. Hit it again, maybe. Maybe hit it 3 times. Lee James, hey, how you doing, brother? I am using VWAP. I'll put it in there. VWAP. Okay. We're we're back in the middle of that. Reaching back up. I'm going top of the VWAP here. Okay, let's see. 37, 37. And wow, I climbed to the top. A, B, C, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe so we have switched from impulse down, corrective up to impulse up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a question on VWAP from Lead James. I'm actually going to I'll give you the link to that video. And right. Ooh, I tell you what, we might be using this the wrong way, right? Okay. Ooh, this thing, a client, it broke. Okay, so it's running. What is our count? I don't know. We are, I mean, we're in this nonsense here on the 30-minute chart. We really haven't gone anywhere. Move all drawings. And those settings. I'm going to remove our executions. They're kind of everywhere. And so this is our 30 minutes. And basically we got a long-legged doji. Lee, you're welcome. Yeah, check out. And okay. Oh, okay. There we go. Now I get to pull back, right? Yeah, that was so basically we've got that long-legged doji that really doesn't tell us anything. We're still trapped in this sideways shop. My market heat map tells us uh all Forex pairs. Let's see it on the bigger view. Nothing is really moving anywhere. It's all gray. It's all gray here. Forex majors. Forex majors here are gray as well. Euro is of 0.7%. You know, we were also this resets at midnight GMT. So the 8 o'clock money train should be running somewhere. We've got a nascent uptrend on the 30 minutes, right? That's all. I just despise that chart. Let's try it. CAD. Just oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, okay. Well, that thing just broke. I was like, really? And I saw a green candle. I go, okay, okay. Green so changes red, gets short. Breaking outside. I don't want, I'm not in the profit yet. I mean, I pulled the trigger short at spot 3682. And okay. Their execution. Yeah, see. Yeah, my execution's right there. I get filled right there. These market makers, what do you guys think about the market makers? Yeah, me too. So we got here, there's a 2 pip spread. Look how far the market is from my entry. I'm not in the profit yet. Oh, now finally.
Buy.
Oh.
Sell. Don't buy.
Drop, I say. I mean, I got in here. Here, I'm still negative. What's the spread? It's 2 pips. It's not a lot. And its numbers are a little small. Let me change this canvas. Let me get 20. There we go. I need those jitterbug. Remember the cell phone, the jitterbug? The giant numbers for seniors. I made these numbers like super big. There we go. Trend line break. Drop, baby. Bear flag. Let's go.
Sell.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay. Come on down. Really? This is like, let me try 1 minute chart. It might not be so skewed. Okay. Look, I changed and I'm making money, right? Now I'm making money, right? That's like negative 109. Wow, that we went 684. That's 3 pips. I mean, it should get a pip out of that or something. That is unfair. Okay. Well, all right, let's go higher time frame. On a 5 minute. Well, 5 minute was like that's two big giant candles in a 5 minute. 15 minute, 30 minute. That's back where I'm over here, right? 30 minute, 3 minute. It looks like we have a head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Maybe we get a little bit more of a drop there. Let's go here. Blah, blah, blah. Let's go here. No. No. Here. Right. Shoulder, head, like that, maybe. I mean, we haven't really broken the lower trend line. Really, kind of, sort of broken. We have like a trend channel. That's it. That's it. 5 times that trend channel, trend channel, trend channel. You have this trend channel. Trend channel breaks. Then we should see big blue south side drop, right? This is the last low. 35.57. Okay, we'll let that cook. We'll let that sit on the stove. Let it cook some. All right. Finally, let's go.
All aboard!
Oh. Okay, we've got some other kettle of fish here. EURCAD C. Right there, and it pulled back. It just kissed it. Come on now. Trend line across the top. Get a break. 3 candle pullback, little Texas two-step. They get a breakout, slingshot. You got long here. You got long here. We're not even break even yet. I think it's CAD. I think something just maybe the CAD's mad at Americans or something, but where was I? Aussie? Oh, snap. That's breaking out. Look at that. 30 minute, 15 second. Oh wow. Pullback, extension, divergence. I'm gonna short this. I'm just gonna get if I get 3 pips out of that, I'm good, right? 4 pips. It looks like I have a three, four, five. I don't know, ABC. No, this is probably one. It's gonna like go higher. It's all those wicks though. Usually it's bearish against the wick. The key is not to second guess myself, right? Come on. This is wait, like just push it off the ledge. Oh, they say, no, I'm not going down there. Oh, drat you. That's not fair. Oof. See, unfurl this, right? Three, four, five. Is this ABC? One, two, three, four? Huh. No. Or ABC A, B, and C drop. That's what I'm thinking. Forms our head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't have time for this nonsense. There's lots of overhead resistance right here at 65.40. Or 45, sorry. 65.45. Topping pattern, lots of green candles. Let's see. Let's fill it up. We should come back down to 65.37. We can Fibonacci expansion, top the top of the pattern, bottom of the pattern to the pullback. Now 100% expansion is right here. That's not very far. Let's see this like want to behave. With a 224% retracement is here, 65.37. This could be our 8 o'clock money train. I mean, right at 8 o'clock, it moved. 8 o'clock, just one, two, this week. Choppy four for a 5 expansion north. If this is a bull flag, that's another thing. It could be a high and tight bull flag. And then we extend out of the flag. So that's or we come back down there, right? So that's our two choices out of the box here. Losing track of the counting here. I think it's gonna go bullish. Always had a supposition after a big run, price moves sideways, takes a rest, and then we get a pullback or a drop. That is typical what I'm thinking. That's why I took the short. If I'm wrong, I'll just close it out. Aussie has tried several times. You look at all these tries to break out. all these wicks are breakouts and they got smacked down. Could this be the one move that takes us out? Or is it a fake move, right? 43 by 44. VWAP is pointing up. As long as moving average is pointing up, and it's breaking higher. Okay. I'm going to wait for a closed candle, although if there's one closed candle, 45. Still think it's a trap. Because I'm looking at the 30-minute chart, it's not even, I mean, it's a wick. I'm gonna use this as a trend line. We're going to 5-minute, 3-minute. I'm gonna fade the breakout. I think this is a fake breakout. Three minutes not giving me any information. 1-minute chart. Well, something hit. Oof. EuroCAD. EURCAD. I heard alarm. Did our did our ooh, did we no Orlando? No, no. The Aussie dollar stopped out, right? Oof. Wow, it broke the trend line and went a little higher there, right? Okay. Okay, so long widths. Yeah, okay, I'm out. Yeah, cut that. We're breaking. I guess we're breaking out. Forget the short. Not good. Got stopped out at 1, 2, 3 trades. We haven't had a winner since the Aussie dollar trade. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD's up. Something's up. Dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD. No. Where's dollar CAD? There we go. Hey now, we're making money on dollar CAD. We're gonna take that on the short side. South side of Chicago. Take it. Take it. 1491, 1500, 1535. Go. Take it. Woo. It took a long time for this one to go. Oh my God, we had to forget about it. Got short here, got out here. This was 84 by 74, so it's 10 pips. So made 10 pips on that one. And so it was the shoulder was bearish. The head and shoulders pattern was the bearish pattern. It did break south. Aussie, turning around. So that was a breakout. I doubted you, Aussie. Now sometimes we have to get a breakout, price returns to the scene of the crime. You know, like these dumb criminals. Hey, look, I broke into this. Let me take a picture, let me take a selfie of myself in front of the crime scene. And then they take the camera, the phone for evidence. You took a selfie in front of the crime scene. That's not me. That's my twin brother. Or those AI. Sometimes video and photographic evidence is not enough to convict some of these people, huh? They took a picture of them doing it, and picture wasn't good enough. Well, circumstantial evidence. Can't admit that in court. What happened to a picture is worth 1,000 words? All right, 38% retracement or 22% retracement. Okay, I'm gonna. Well, the higher time frame is the 3 minutes, and it is up. It's green and it's up. It did double top though on the 3 minute chart. We have a green candle here, but I'm not biting. Maybe you should, Greg. 23% retracement. I want a 38 right there on the red line. 38% retracement. That's look at that breakout. See, fake break south side and then north. That was our fake. Drop everybody out of it. This is interesting. 5 waves down, ABC up, 5 waves down, and then ABC up, and then one down, and then boom. Oh, really? Okay. I never trusted 23% retracement, but let's see. And so 47. Let's see if we get to 50. That's 3 pips. Gonna get 5 pips out of this. Here we get 5 pips out of it. Let me show you how this is kind of the setup is kind of. No, I'm just gonna let that go. I'm gonna remove all drawings. All drawings. All right, 9 drawings. Okay. We're gonna go out to a 4-hour chart, the dealer charts. I'm gonna move move all the executions on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is actually looks kind of bullish, right? Should start the 4-hour. 4-hour, very powerful upward trend line, like that. And then a speed line where it went a little higher like that, right? And then we have a fib retracement here from the bottom to the top. And then we have fibs on the way down from the top to the bottom, which adds as a resistance. In fact, what I'll do is I can, oops. Trump says 50% tariff on copper will begin August 1st. Copper prices are already high, have been higher in the United States and the rest of the world. So it's probably gonna make copper higher. So if you are constructing houses and you need plumbing, you need pipes, you need wires, electricity, then you need copper for air conditioning units. That's just makes things more expensive. Okay, so here we are. 4-hour chart, drop down to 15-second chart. And let's go. All right, all right, all right. Let's do it. We're in the money. Yeah.
Buy.
It's because the bulls use their horns to hit price up. Bears try to hit price down. And we shoot bears. There we go. Okay. So we're riding on up, moving on up. Getting right close. We're in the money. We're in the money. I add a couple of slabs of bacon if we can break this DeMark trend line, Tom DeMark trend line. Aussie dollar 15-second chart. Got long at 65.47. Got trend line break. I'm going to add some bacon to add a couple of slabs on the grill. There we go. Let's go. Try and get 4 pips out of that, 65.51. Ooh, price pulling back. Reset the line. It looks like that spike and pullback, but ooh, don't like that. I don't know, maybe the market's calling that a double top. Closing prices are the same with a wick high. But there we go. Let's go. 65.46 by 47. My name is Dr. Gregory McLeod, 30-year trading veteran and Wall Street insider, former currency analyst, and one of the world's largest forex broker dealers in the world. I'm here with you on a Wednesday, July 9th, 2025. Happy birthday, Dad. He turns 81 today. And so we're trading the markets. Asia session, our 2 hours. We start at 7 p.m. Eastern time, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time. We're in the money. We're in the money. Go. 250, 250, 550, cash out. Take it, baby. Take it. Yeah. Re-entering with aggression. Still want that 65. Can we get 65.50? Can we get 50? Can we get 50? Limit us out at 65.50. Pay me. Pay us. Pay us. Like Toys R Us, like Pips are us. Pips be us. I speak English good. Trend line break, backward 7, trend line break. There we go. There we go. Got my flag pattern up. I'm patriotic. Got our flag pattern. I pledge allegiance to the bullish flag, bull flag. United States of Pip America. To the republic in which it stands. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Make money fast. That's what we do. Make money fast. Yeah, we can lose money faster too, right? We got another Aussie dollar long. Oof. This flag is wilting like I don't know, daisies in the heat. It's hot out here. It's 108. We had a high of 110. Okay. All right, just pulling back. Let's put that Fibonacci up there again. I thought we get a reach out to the 50 area. We might need to get down to the 38% retracement down here at the 65.42. It might be a demand zone right there. 23% retracement. This thing loves the 23% retracement. I mean, look at that bounce. Look at that. Damn, got a bounce. Greg's going, we don't see it on our 5-minute chart. No, you're not going to see this. This thing is, right? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. A double bottom. I should have stacked some lots on that break. Let's go. It's like, really? What are you waiting for? Man, the electric shock. I'm gonna tase it. There you go. Any time now. I got 15 minutes. Come on, I got 15 minutes. I gotta make some money so I can go watch Gutfeld. Wrong way. Wrong way. He's firing a warning shot. No charts were hurt making this video. Anyone out there got a question? Do you have a question about the market or you want me to analyze the chart? I got 3 screens. I can chart the other screen while keeping an eye on this one. Now Fibonacci expansion. How about that? While we're waiting, I don't see any questions. 1, 2, 3. All right. Break even. Well, the 100% expansion doesn't give me the break even. I need the 1.618 to bring in the bacon. I bring home the bacon, frying up in the pan, and never, 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 never let you forget who I am. I'm a man. That's another. The other words of that song. It was a commercial. I bring home the bacon, fried up in the pan. Oof. Well, that didn't take off. Restart. Try again. A, B, C. And then give me a 3-way pop north. North. Warning shot. No one was hurt. I'm from Texas, so you gotta excuse me. We love our guns. We do. And our fishing rods. Look at that tight triangle breakout. Let's do it. Breakout. Dun, 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 dun. Don't breakout. I don't know that song. Don't karaoke. Breakout. Don't quit your day job. Keep on trading. Don't try to sing. Keep it moving. All right. 65.47. Hey, buy me a cup of coffee if you like. If you don't want me to sing anymore. The Patreon thing. How do you do that? I need to set that up. Or just give me a $sign emoji. How about that? Got 9 people watching, including my mom. Maybe my dad, if he made it out to the internet. He is one of the few human beings on this planet that does not have a cell phone. Here we go. Here we go.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. All aboard.
Let's do it. Show me some love in the chat box, some dollar signs or some hearts, some emojis. Let me know that you're out there and you're enjoying this program. If you'd like it to continue. It's more fun trading. It's more fun trading with Greg. Lisa gave me one. My VIP gave me one. Appreciate you, Lisa. All right, trend line break, color change. No, Alexa, thank you.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you meant. Please try again.
Never mind. Some people have cats. I have Alexa. Oh, wow. We were so close. 8 minutes. You can do it. Wow, look at it. Take trend line breaks. Just come on. Come on. So close to the breakout. I want to get the 50 the quarter lines. We got a quarter line at 65.50. I mean, we came up from 25. I think, well, 30. I mean, how low did we go? Got as low as 33. So we closed above the 25 line. And so, well, 25 line. If we couldn't get 25, then we try for 50, right? Well, the 50, we didn't quite get to 50. So between 30, 32 and 50, but usually it's either or. Either price takes out the 25 line or it takes out the 50, but never usually, one or the other. Since prices closed above 25 to 0.6525, we got above 2.5. We never got down to 2.5. Then usually that's very bullish for prices to hit the 5 zeros, the next quarter line. And I teach quarter lines. Sometimes quarter line theory is right on it, especially if you're in a market where you have really no news and it's kind of wonky. Then it's looking for leadership. It's either looking for Fibonacci's, it's looking for quarter lines, it's looking for pivots, right? People are looking for something to aim for. And the 1.618 and the quarter line are in the same spot. 65.50. My take profit is like right on it. My entry was down here, but the spread put it up there. So let me check with other anything close to profit. Not really. We're still cutting this chop. We got it's 5:55 Pacific time, 8:55, 56 East Coast time. And sometimes as soon as I shut this camera off and say goodbye, Austin's kind of shy. We'll remove all the drawings there. It gets all shy and then it breaks out in a big giant. That's what happened last night. Big giant breakout. I think I took a screenshot of it. People won't believe it. Oh, EuroCAD looks close to it. We got EuroCAD long. EURCAD. We got in on that. We got in it, and then we got out of it, and we got in it again. Another EuroCAD. Yeah, we're still kind of far away from that. And see, that was a failed one too, right? You got the big loop MACD thought was 3, 4, and it failed, right? It just so how do you count that? Well, you count that maybe ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So maybe this will turn to some type of an ABC to get close, but I was actually looking for that to double bottom and take off, and we did not. And it was a nice take a fib from the high to the low. I mean, 38% retracement at 1.6052. And so if it bounces off that and heads back up, it could still do something. I mean, I'm looking for 6107. We might not get that until tomorrow. 557. Let's get back to Aussie. I don't think she's doing that well. She's really taking a bath, you know. And dollar was going down too, which is really interesting. The DXY is dropping too. It's like you never really have Aussie and this Aussie dollar. So why is the dollar dropping faster than the Aussie, which is crazy to me? All right. I mean, if I were to plot them together, AUD, USD, I think the scaling will come out different, but well, that drop is the drop in Aussie, and this is the entire drop of the dollar index, right? Okay, anyway, dollar index. Well, here's a dollar yen. It's finally dropping. Finally. I mean, it ran up to 47 before coming back down. Yeah, remarkable. And we're way outside the multiple deviations. You think this might bounce eventually, but that's something we'll save for another day, right? We have one more day of trading this week. And I want to thank you so much for being part of our program. Yeah. I don't think we're anywhere close to any of these others, but let me go ahead and stop sharing. All right. All right, guys. It's been a real pleasure. You guys have a great evening. Be safe. God bless. Peace and pips. Dr. Greg McLeod signing out. Bye. You're welcome, Lisa.